Welcome to our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with
Sara.
And Sara spells her name different than my Sara.
Yes, I don't spell it with the H. There should be no H.
Okay, my dear. Yeah, you got to hear this. This is a really cool story. Now, you came from what part of the world? You brought your whole family?
Belize.
A beautiful country.
Yes, we have the second largest reef in the world.
Oh.
So come over there and scuba dive.
now, you brought your hubby, your son.
Yes.
You.
Yes.
Now, what have you experienced?
Awesome. Hope for our family again. Our son is a teenager. He has really bad scoliosis. The doctor said it was too dangerous to do a surgery. And we were like, what should we do? And we had a friend in Missouri. He heard about you through YouTube. And here we are. Thank you.
And he's really cool. I'm trying to get him to be a chiropractor. I mean, anybody that has a chronic health challenge and you recover, those guys are the most passionate doctors ever. Plus, he's a really cool kid.
Yes, he is.
That has to do with leadership.
Oh.
Okay, anytime I see the kid, I always blame the parents.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you.
Okay, now you're even hooked up with IVs.
Yes. Some happy margaritas. No, all my life I have terrible headaches, neck pain. I had to go to the chiropractor all the time to try to find some relief until I found you 3 months ago. I hadn't been back to any other chiropractor. So there's definitely a lot of relief, and they're hooking me up with detoxing and vitamins. I'm just feeling so much better.
That's the key, addressing the actual problem. Physical, chemical, emotional stress, and the live blood cell analysis.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We just did post blood analysis, and damn. Okay. I mean, you can identify mineral deficiency, fat deficiency, stress, overlap of cells, metabolic activity, everything in one blood cell. And your husband, freaking gorgeous from the blood. I mean, he's a good-looking guy, too. Okay.
He has been suffering with migraine really, really bad.
Oh, my God.
Migraine. Some days he couldn't go to work. It was too bad. And so thankful, because this is getting more relief. But it's a bit slower than me. I was better today, right, Alan?
Yeah, your blood, not that you're competitive, but your blood did show up.
We're not competitive, our whole family.
My Sarah's competitive too, so that's totally okay. Okay, so it's almost like thank goodness that your son had a health issue, so you guys could finally get care.
Yeah, we feel it's just all the leading of God, leading us to you and because we've been really praying about this. Lord, give us a place to find health so we can be better people.
And that's the cool thing. I mean, we don't heal anything, we don't do anything, but we remove the interference. So, like my instructors would say, you move the bone, God does the healing.
Yep.
Yeah. What can you tell people? Because you're talking headaches, migraines, toxic blood, I mean, scoliosis, I mean, a bunch of stuff. And all it's getting fixed. And it's only been a few weeks.
Yes. We are so thankful that there's hope. I guess I said that before already, but that we will not use so many Tylenol anymore at our house, and that there is the exercise that you're giving us, that we can go home, do our homework, and continue being healed, even if we're at home.
Yeah, I mean, and that's the thing. We teach people how to adapt to modern society.
Yes, yeah.
Your diet is like your great-grandparents. You change the sleep patterns, change the emotional component. But it takes one other thing. It takes a person to be in charge of their health. Most people abdicate authority over their health. They just give up and say, well, my doctor says I have this, or...
Yes.
You're not like that.
No, and after we came here 3 months ago, me and my son started going to a gym, and we've just been feeling so much better.
Thank God.
Yes.
Thank God.
Hopefully I'll get my husband there yet too.
You're the best advertisement. In Belize, it's pretty close because it's still in the northern hemisphere.
Yeah. Just one jump away. Just 5 hours, and we're here.
So the biggest thing is find a solution. Yeah. If you can't make it here, because you only flew about 4,000 miles.
That's right.
Yeah. Find somebody that does an objective analysis. You measure the x-rays, nerve scans, live blood cell, whatever. And then we do it again.
That's right.
We can we have a parameter. I mean, feeling good's great, thank goodness. But man, when you can measure structural and neurologic and chemical changes, that's a blessing.
Yes. Amen.
Take care of yourselves. And think of this. You were built for the world and the world was built for you. So if you have a symptom, and I was just talking to a patient that said the dumbest doctors in the world are pain management. It's not that the doctors are stupid, but it's like having a business to remove the smoke detectors out of your house. No, symptoms are there for a reason. Listen to your body, take care of yourself. God bless you all.
Yeah.